Do you want to know how you can change currency on your Metatrader 5? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Use Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the currency on Metatrader 5. Go ahead and open Metatrader 5 on your phone. After you do so, go to quotes. And you can see the pen icon on the top right hand side. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see these are your currencies. You can change them by tapping on it on the left hand side and you can drag it and keep it up. So you can see that you can change your currency this way. So you can just tap on it, and if you tap on it and take it up, it will not go. But if you tap on the left three lines on the left hand side, drag it and take it up, then it will be changed. So guys, this is how you change your currency on Metatrader 5. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.